to Siani's Hair World. Today we're going to be using Krown Dolls products that they sent me. Before we get into that, if you guys didn't know, I have a twin. So stay tuned all the way to the end of the video if you want to see my twin. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, you can go ahead and see what I look like. And I'm 8 years old and I love doing my hair. I'm going to show you all the stuff that Krown Dolls sent me for me and my twin. As you can see right here, I have my beautiful hair rack with all my products that I use. There's one empty side down here, so I'm going to be putting all Krown Dolls products in this space. First thing I'm going to be showing you that Krown Dolls got us is this shampoo slash body wash. It is good for kids' skin and scalp. This is a no tears shampoo, so if you get it in your kids' eyes, it won't burn. And this is strictly for kids. I'm going to be putting Krown Dolls items on this empty shelf down here. Next is a hair conditioner. Gentle enough for sensitive scalp. Helps remove tangles and knots. Softens and conditions all hair types. Next we have a curl cream. Gives a silky touch. Next we have a pink detangling brush. It comes with another item, which I don't know what it is, but we will when we open it. This is great for detangling your hair while using your curl cream. Next we have a hair gel to find waves and curls, and it smells really good. And this ponytail, I don't know what you use to with. Next we have a styling foam mousse created for hair types: straight, wavy, curly, oily, beards. Beards? Let me just touch up my beard. Next we have an edge control, perfect for sleek. Smells really good too. Next we have an edge brush to hold down your edge control. Next we have a bonnet for when I sleep at night. And we have a light up headband. We have a purple crown because I'm a Krown doll and their logo is purple. You have to pull out this little white tab in the back for it to work. It looks so pretty. It's so bright, you can see me! Now with this shampoo body wash and this conditioner, I'm gonna go wash my hair in the shower. Hey guys, I just got back from the shower. This is what my hair looks like. So now I'm gonna tell you a few things about Krown Dolls products. I'm gonna tell you a lot of good things and a few things that I would recommend about the shampoo and the conditioner. So first, you want to make sure that you read the conditioner because you have to put on the conditioner before the shampoo. Make sure you always read products before you use them. You leave it on 15 minutes before you use the shampoo to get all the tangles out before you wash. Then you go on with the shampoo slash body wash. The shampoo, it was really nice and it felt silky and soft. And it says it's a body wash. I wouldn't really recommend it as a body wash because you can feel the shampoo and still you can scratch it off your body and stuff, so I wouldn't recommend it as a body wash. But it smelled great. So did the conditioner. And the conditioner was really silky too. And it helped get all the tangles out. Now this shampoo, you do not need a lot. It suds up really quickly and really easily. I didn't even rub it in, I just said whoop, and it was already setting up. So, and you don't need a lot, and in the shower I used way too much. It took me so long to get all of it out of my hair, so you probably only need one quick squirt. My mom is going to be doing my hair with this curl cream. It says it gives a silky touch. We'll test that out. When you open it, it has this plastic white top. It's really easy to take off. It smells really good and it's really watery, so be careful for no spills.
Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a style in Siani's hair today. It's kind of similar to boho braids, so basically I'm just going to be braiding it halfway down and then leaving the ends curly with her new Krown Dolls products. This is everything we're going to be using to style her hair. I'm going to be using the curl cream, the styling mousse,
a hair gel,
and then I'm going to be putting the gel on the ends of the hair and at the end, and we will use the
edge control
to lay those baby hairs down. I'll also be detangling a little bit with the new brush that Krown Dolls sent us. I'll have my brush, my rat tail comb, and my wide tooth comb.
And if you don't know, we love Krown Dolls. We have so many products of theirs.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with just a middle part down the middle of her head. Make this middle part. And I am seeing some dryness right around the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to her hair once I get this part in. Alright, so I have my middle part. I'm going to work on the right side and clip the left side up.
I think Krown Dolls is one of the best brands. I really love their brand. You should go check it out. Almost every time my mom does my hair off camera, we use Krown Dolls products.
Alright, so I was just misting it a little bit more because her hair did air dry a little bit. I have my middle part. I'm going to go ahead and section the front off, and then we're going to start on the back. So I'm going to clip this piece up. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the style. Like I said, I don't really have a name for this style, but basically I'm just going to be plaiting her hair about halfway down, and then the ends will be curly. So I'm going to go ahead and start parting her hair in the back. And right now the only thing that has been done to her hair is the conditioner and the shampoo, and her hair feels so soft. I mean, like, it really feels like it's like a leave-in conditioner in her hair, but there's nothing in her hair right now. I haven't added any extra products besides the shampoo and conditioner, and it feels pretty amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my first part back here, and not too big, not too small. That's about a good size right there. I'm gonna clip this part up. And I'm going to start off with the Krown Dolls Curl Cream. So it's supposed to give it a silky touch. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this for my plaits. So that's what it looks like. It looks like real creamy. Has almost like a milky, kind of a conditioner texture to it. Alright, so let's put this on our first piece. Feels pretty good going on the hair. I'm going to use the detangling brush this piece out, brush the edges, and I am going to use the styling mousse as well, just to really secure the part plait, because I'm going to put the gel on the ends of the hair.
Put it in. Well, I just want to squeeze it.
Okay, you can get the next one for me. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to put out one squirt and add it to about the top of the hair, starting from the roots and going towards the middle. I'm just going to start my plaits. I'll put a little extra product in the back, because normally the back plaits and the ones around the front are the ones that slip out first. So that's about as far as I'm going to braid it down. I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, and I'm using white rubber bands today. And that is our first plait and curl. And like I said, I am going to put the gel on the ends, but I'm going to wait until I have all of them in her hair and then come back and put the gel on the ends of the curls. Alright, just going to move right along. Take the clip out. My next part. I want my parts pretty even so that she can still style these different ways if she want to wear them half up, half down. That when you see it, the part will still be straight across. Or if she wants to wear them in two ponytails, that all the parts will still be pretty even parts. So I want my parts really defined. Alright, and I'm going to split this piece into two. Alright, so here's my second one that I'm about to start. I'm going to add the curl cream on the entire piece of hair. And just as I'm rubbing this cream on her hair, I can tell that this would be a really great product for a wash and go. I'm just looking how it's taking to her curls. So next time we will definitely do a wash and go using this curl cream. Let me detangle. Again, just look how pretty those curls are. Alright, there is my squirt. Add that to the hair. Start my plait. I'm just taking 3 even pieces of hair, because when you do that, it just makes the hair more tangled when it's time to take them out. So I'm just keeping them very even. And even if one piece feels thicker or smaller than the other side, it's okay, because the ends, like I said, are going to stay curly and you won't be able to tell. And I just tangle that up, so I'm just going to carefully pull it apart so I don't rip any hair. I have a lot of product on my hands, so it should just slip right out just like that. And that's about as far as I'm going to do. Go ahead and put the rubber band on and move on to my next one. I'm going to keep moving right along. curl cream, detangle, mousse, and plaits. I usually start with the overhand braid and then finish with the underhand braid. What is that?
Huh?
What is that you doing? Turn
I
around.
don't know.
Don't do it if you don't know what it is. Braid it to right there. Put my rubber band on. Moving right on up the head. Just looking to see how I want to part this next section. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep my parts really even. It's difficult when the child won't keep their head up and so your angles get off. Okay, I think I'm good now. So brush this up so I can see clearly. I'm gonna split this part into 2 sections as well, even with the bottom one. Start with this one, my curl cream. Again, I'm just really loving how the curls look just with the curl cream on it by themselves. I just wonder how it would hold if I did do a wash and go with just the curl cream by itself. Wondering would I still need anything else. But it feels amazing on her hair. And I'm just gonna keep moving right along through this side of the hair. I'm really impressed at how well that conditioner detangled her hair as well without using any type of pre-poo and any type of leave-in. Yanni has really tight curls, and oh my goodness, when her hair gets tangled, it can take like an hour to detangle her hair. So I appreciate products with lots and lots of slip and lots of moisture easily get the tangles out of her hair. So I got like the back bottom half completed. This is what it's looking like so far. Pretty wash and go ends. And now I'm going to start my next part from the front of her head, and it's going to go all the way around back into the middle of her head. Trying to keep them all about the same size. Now I need to add a little more hair to it. And I said I was going to add the oil, and I did not add the oil. I'm looking again at the front of her hair right here, and it's looking a little dry, a little white, so I am going to go through and add the oil to her scalp in just a moment. Alright, I think this part is pretty even. So this section right here, I think I'm going to split it into about 4 pieces. Let's see here, I'm going to pre-part it to make sure that 4 is enough and not too big and not too small. I'm going to clip that one just so I can test out my parts. I said I want them fairly even. Split that one right there. And I think we are good to go for 4 pieces. I'm still just moving right along, just about at the top. Alright, so I'm just about almost done at the top. I have about 2 more rows to do. I'm going to split this up. I'm actually going to make 1 part right here, and then I'm going to split this remaining part in half. So I'm going to make me a part right here. And then I'm going to split this into 2. Alright, I'm going to clip this up right there. Oh, sorry. And then I'm going to split this into 2. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 more on this right side of her head. So we are all done with this side. I'm going to go ahead and add that oil on her scalp now.
And then we're going to go on with this beautiful pink smelling good edge control.
So as I said, I'm going to put the gel on the ends of the hair just to make sure that the curls hold even more, but they're looking pretty good already. Oh, you're going to squeeze it in my hand. Oh, okay.
It just comes out so beautiful. Doesn't that come out beautifully?
That's enough.
Yep, Yeah, but if you guys don't know me, I don't like really bright light. I don't like too much oil. I don't like seeing sweat.
Seeing sweat?
Yes, if I see sweat or if I smell it, my eyes start watering.
Alright, so here's what the curls look like after the gel. Nice and shiny, soft and healthy. So this is the right side. Let me go ahead and slick the edges down with the Krown Dolls Edge Control. Alright, this is what the edge control looks like.
I already showed it.
It does have a smell to it. It smells pretty good. Can't really tell based on the ingredients.
Can I read? Wait. I know that one will harden.
The Krown Dolls brush that I'm going to use.
I know that this is gonna harden really good. I can feel it. It's already drying and super stiff.
Alright, so here is our right side, edges laid. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do the left side of her hair off camera. And
if you want to see how I do this side, go look at my Instagram. Same thing, Siani's Hair World. Okay guys, I'm all done. How do you like it? I really like it. Krown Dolls products, I'm going to talk a little bit about. So the edge control, it was really good. It dried really quick and it slayed my edges. The mousse, it's like regular old mousse, nothing special about it. And then we have the styling cream, which really helped my curls give a nice soft texture. And the hair gel gave my curls a beautiful pop. At the beginning of the video, I told you that I had a twin. So, I'm gonna go get my twin and I'm going to be changing to the same outfit as her. I'll be right back. Guys, I told you I had a twin, so you're gonna see her. And that is why I'm dressed like this, because we're wearing the same thing and the same hairstyle. And her name is Ziani. Ziani! Here's my twin, y'all! This is what she looks like. And this is what I look like. Do you think I did a good job matching my twin? Bye guys! And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.